Assalamu alaikum. Shagufta is here, your dost and your host. Welcome to SG Talks. Today we have a very special guest, Miss Praveena from the world of organic skincare and makeup. Let's dive into the discussion what Praveena has made and what's her products. Welcome, Miss Praveena.
Thank you so much, Shagufta. First of all, thank you so much for your lovely invitation from SG Talks.
It's our pleasure to have you on our podcast.
Thank you.
So we want to know more about you, Praveena. What do you do? What are your actual products?
I am founder of Feel Beautiful.
Okay.
I specialize in creating.
Oh, what a style that was.
Yeah.
Feel beautiful. I like
Yeah.
that. Oh,
Thank you
nice.
so much.
It's like Pushpa. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you. I specialize in creating natural and quality products under my brand Feel Beautiful.
Okay.
Product line Flamingo includes mist, cream, foundation, and powder.
Okay. Powder means it's a compact or a loose
No,
powder?
no, it's loose powder.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a translate powder and pure organic powder as well.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I have different shades of powders.
Different shades.
Yeah.
According to the skin tone of
Yeah, according to skin tone.
Okay. So where are you from, Miss Praveena?
I came from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yeah.
You're from Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Okay. From which part of Hyderabad?
Kukatpalli. You know Kukatpalli?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Kukatpalli.
Kukatpalli, Manjira Mall. Yeah, that place.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how you got interest into this making organic products, especially for skincare, and that's a great thing to hear that organic foundation.
Yeah.
I heard about organic skincare, okay, but that organic foundation mist and translucent powder, that's really great to hear.
Yeah, I would like to share about my experience with you. Yeah. How
We are
is-
waiting.
How was my
we
journey?
want to hear. We want to hear your journey. How did you started? What?
Yeah.
How?
When I came to Dubai, due to the climate, due to the change in climate, I noticed a change in my skin tone.
Okay.
So then I started using so many products, but it didn't help. Then I started working, preparing my own to avoid harmful chemical products.
Yes, yes.
And preservatives usually used in major chemical products. So I know some idea because when I childhood my mother used so many chemical products for me. So then from the beginning I took two natural products, and I started mix together and I apply on my skin tone. But I didn't satisfied. Why? Because something is missing when I mix the ingredients. Something is mixing. Again, I started experiments.
Repeating that same thing.
Repeating same thing. I adding extra ingredients and
Okay.
increasing the ratio of the ingredient.
Okay, okay.
Then
So you have tested on yourself
yeah, I tested.
by making it.
Yeah, everything is myself. And I tested pH value too. It means our
Skin can bear.
yeah, face skin tone pH value 5 or 5.5.
Yes.
Yeah, our skin is very sensitive than body.
Yes, definitely. Our face is sensitive.
Yeah, our
Than-
face is
Oh, is
sensitive.
it?
Yeah.
Ah,
That's why
okay.
every time we test the pH value.
Yes.
It's important.
It's
Otherwise,
a-
we will get rashes.
Especially for
pigmentation,
women,
so many-
right?
Yeah,
Ah,
especially.
Hmm.
Otherwise, we will get skin problems. So
Skin
that's why-
irritations, yeah.
Yeah,
Rashes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Every time I tested pH value.
Okay,
too.
okay.
So then successfully completed after 6 months, I started using my natural products on my skin.
Oh,
Then
great.
I got good result.
Only in 6 months.
Yeah, after
That's
6
a
months.
great
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Wow. Huh.
So after 6 months, I started using my organic products
Uh,
on my skin.
hmm.
Then my friends noticed it in my skin.
Hmm.
Hey, what did you use
On your skin.
for your skin?
Yeah.
Because a lot of change in our face.
Oh, wow.
I told them
What kind of changes? Like glowing or?
Yeah, yeah, because I got having uneven skin tone and black
Okay.
patches, so many skin problems.
Okay.
So then
Okay.
reducing uneven skin tone, black
Mm.
patches, everything.
Mm-hmm.
Then I told them
Mm.
I prepare my own.
Wow.
They didn't believe.
Mm.
Is it
Mm.
you prepare by own? Then I explain everything.
Mm.
So and so and so.
Mm.
Then they okay, please give me samples. They asked it samples.
Started giving samples.
No,
Okay.
but I didn't give.
Mm.
Okay, I give you samples,
Mm.
but wait for some days.
Mm.
Why? Because I didn't satisfied with that cream. Again, I'm
Oh.
thinking something is missing in that cream. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it works very well on my face,
But
but
when to
again,
give others, for giving others, you need something extra
uh,
things.
not only that one.
Mm.
Again, I'm thinking what is something is missing. I didn't satisfy with that,
Mm.
but I didn't have any idea to start a business.
Yeah.
So then I started. I'm thinking and research,
Mm.
and I read so many articles in online,
Mm-hmm.
and I researched a lot
Okay. About what?
about natural and organic ingredients,
Okay.
because
Natural
I already
ingredients.
used too many chemical products but didn't use on my face.
Mm-hmm.
Then I started research about natural and organic products,
Mm-hmm.
ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
So now I know about each ingredient
How
importance
it
and how
works.
it works.
Mm.
Okay. So then I collect hydrogel water
Mm.
from natural ingredient
Mm-hmm.
and to add the other natural ingredients.
Oh, that's a any kind of process to collect that
Yeah, it's
hydrogel.
yeah,
Okay.
hydrogel. It's a big
Mm-hmm.
process,
Mm-hmm.
but I started because
Mm.
of for me. Actually, at that time also I didn't have any
But
idea to start
how
a
you got this
business.
knowledge from a simple interest because of your skin, then collecting till hydrogel water? Did
Yeah,
you learn or your studies are related anywhere to this?
no,
No,
I have some idea because
it's just on your
yeah, my
own.
own interest
Wow,
only.
that's
No,
great.
yeah, I didn't
Huh.
do any course or I didn't. I just I know some
Okay.
idea and I add up research and
Mm-hmm.
something.
By
Yeah,
reading the
by
books and
reading books
all.
and articles, so
Mm-hmm.
it helps more.
That's really great, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, talented.
uh,
Mm.
then I started researches and collect the hydrogel water, add with other
Mm.
natural ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
Then again, I apply on my face.
Mm.
I got very good result
Mm-hmm.
compared to previous cream.
Okay, okay.
Since then I
So you
started
have improved
yeah,
there.
improved
Mm.
because I didn't satisfied na, so that's
Mm-hmm.
why I researched more.
Mm-hmm.
So and I started giving my samples to
Mm-hmm.
my friends and others.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
I
what are
got
the feedbacks from your friend?
yeah.
Mm.
I got good feedback from
Mm-hmm.
my friends.
Wow.
So then one day I was thinking,
Mm.
why not start a business with my
Oh,
products?
great.
Because I
Yes.
research a lot,
This is
right?
how the entrepreneur is
So
born. Suddenly, an entrepreneur is born in you. Like, why don't I
yeah,
start my
because it
business?
works very well on my face. So
Yes.
many people have same problems, right?
Yeah.
So I like to share my products with them. That's
Mm-mm.
why I had
And
an idea.
nowadays everyone is like running behind organics. They need natural things. Yeah.
Yeah,
So this is a really a great decision for you that makeup out of organic things. That's really a great thing.
yeah,
Every woman needs this.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what kind of products do you have now? What do you made now? How many products you are into now making?
Now I
Mm-hmm.
have only 4 products:
Mm-hmm.
mist,
Mm.
cream, face foundation,
Mm-hmm.
and powder.
Okay.
Different types.
Foundations we have depending on the
Yeah,
shades
depends on
of the
the
skin
shade,
tone.
skin tone. I have it,
Okay.
but I have other formulas too.
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't
You're
release
still
now.
working on that.
You already worked, but I
Mm.
didn't release because I don't have enough time. So
Okay,
that's
okay.
why I released only 4
Okay,
products.
okay, okay. So
Yeah.
you're on the way to make to release that Yeah.
We will take some time.
So what is mist? Can you explain what is mist? Like how it does work?
Yeah, you know, mist or toner both are same.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you know, in the morning time, our skin pores open.
Mm-hmm.
That time, what ingredient or what product do you give for your skin? That is
Okay.
important
Yes.
because everyone in the morning time wash with face washes and they use soaps,
Yes.
right?
Most of the people.
Most of the people.
Mm.
So
Yes, true.
yeah, those are chemical, mixed with chemical.
They,
So they directly goes into your skin and set down into your skin.
okay.
So those are not absorbed in your skin.
Mm-hmm.
If you use any scrubs like face washes,
Mm-hmm.
it goes into your skin and gives healthy skin and glowing skin.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm.
so I collect hydrosol water and I mix with natural ingredients. So I that is one of my product is mist. It's it protects like a face shield. Yeah,
Okay.
in the morning time wash your face, just spray on your face
Mm-hmm.
and wait until dry. Just wait for 1 second or 2 seconds,
2
then you
seconds.
apply any
Yeah.
milder moisturizing cream.
Mm-hmm.
So wherever you go outside,
Mm-hmm.
we have pollution, dust
Yes,
particles are
yes.
coming on our skin.
Obviously, for the working ladies, they
Yeah,
have to go outside. Yeah.
yeah,
Even though the ladies who are staying at
yeah,
home, for them also, it's
yeah,
really needed
yeah,
to take care of their skin.
yeah.
Yeah. So this mist works as a skin shield.
Yeah, that
Oh.
time that particles are not goes into your skin. It
Ah.
settle down um,
On your skin.
only on skin. It
Mm-hmm.
not goes into your skin.
Okay.
So when you wear the first layer on your face, it goes into your skin, right?
Yes.
So already mist is goes into your skin.
Mm.
Then whatever you apply
Mm.
on your skin, it settle down on your skin. It not goes into your skin. That's why you always choose and take the good product when you use the first layer
Mm-hmm.
and put on your skin.
So even though if we are doing makeup, yeah, if you're
Yeah.
wearing any makeup, it will protect. So it will not
Yeah.
harm our
Yeah,
skin.
and so many benefits. Not only this is actually all in one mist.
Mm-hmm.
Only not a shield,
Mm.
reduce wrinkle, prevent wrinkles, and you will get plumpy and what is that? Soft skin,
Glowy
soft
skin.
skin,
Yeah,
very soft skin.
that's really good to know.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
too healthy.
Okay.
And wherever you go, carry with you.
Mm-hmm.
Use
If
like
you're feeling lethargic and all restless.
yeah,
Yeah.
reduce the anxiety
Oh.
and use it as a setting spray.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and sometimes we dehydrate. That time also it helps very well.
It hydrates your
Yeah.
skin. Wow,
Yeah,
that's really
hydrate your
good to know,
skin.
Pravina. You're very talented, mashallah.
My next product is cream.
Yeah.
That is also face shield.
Okay.
Same properties.
That's a moisturizer?
all in one.
Okay.
Cream, moisturizer, and it has serum properties too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, no need to use serums separately.
Mm-hmm.
It has serum properties too. So when you apply on your face, it is also protect from sunlight.
It's like sunscreen, acts as a sunscreen.
No. You use sunscreen on the cream.
After sunscreen, you can use.
Yeah,
Okay.
because when you spend more time in sunlight, so you must and should apply the sunscreen.
Wow.
Right? So we will take some precautions, wear the sunglasses, caps, scarves,
Definitely.
so many, right?
Yes.
So cream protect from sunlight and prevent wrinkles, pigmentation, and other skin problems.
Yes.
And my next product is foundation.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays so many people scare to apply foundations on their faces. Why? Because full of chemicals in foundations. So me also scare about foundations before, because when I applied foundation,
Mm-hmm.
my skin got pimples
Yes.
and skin rashes.
If it doesn't suits you,
Yeah, it
yeah,
doesn't
you
suit
will get
me.
pores,
So
yeah,
every
large
time,
pores and all.
yeah,
Yes.
those problems are coming.
Hmm.
So then I am thinking first, I made cream. Then I started with mist.
Hmm.
Third one is foundation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I made already two na.
Yes.
Then
I
I like to
personally
make.
tested your foundation. It was really good. I tested on my hands skin. So that shade was really beautiful shades. Two shades I tried and it was
Yeah.
beautiful. And
Okay.
for the long time it was there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it is waterproof?
Yeah, it's waterproof.
Okay.
It's
That
waterproof.
was good, really.
Yo, same
So
like.
what are your next plans, Praveena, now? What you want to do? You want to start your business on your own?
Yeah, I wanted to do business my own,
Mm.
but I wanted to go slowly, no
Yes,
hurry, no
definitely.
problem. Yeah,
Definitely.
you
You
try
have to
my.
grow slowly. Yes.
You have to use try my powders as well. So
Mm-hmm.
nice because
Definitely.
all products are absorb the oil,
Mm-hmm.
pollution,
Mm.
and you will get the soft and
Do you
plumpy
have your
skin.
Insta page?
Yeah, I have Insta
So
page.
you have your all details about your products on your page?
Yeah,
You're
now
doing
I
now.
started,
Now you
so I'm
started.
sharing slowly.
So
Yeah.
definitely we will share the Insta handle of Miss Praveena so you can go and check her invention in makeup care. So you will love it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Praveena, how you got this motivation from? Who supported you in this? You got the support from your family or you are alone into this?
My husband.
Uh-huh.
Actually, my husband. Without my husband, I can't do anything because
Oh,
anything I discuss
that's
with
so
my
sweet.
husband.
Yeah.
Yeah, anything I discuss with my husband, he
Definitely.
give the
Mm.
some suggestions to me.
Okay.
So then
You will
I
start
do. Yeah,
doing.
I start doing
He's
motivator.
motivator, supporter.
Yeah,
Definitely.
supporter.
Why we have to use the natural? Only like what is the difference between the products which are in the market and the products which you have invented now? So why we can only use natural products on our skin? How you will
Yeah.
differentiate this thing?
Yeah, definitely. Why we use natural products? Because some of chemical products are not good for long run. It means long run efforts can be harmful.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if you use some chemical products apply
Okay.
on our face,
Mm-hmm.
it directly goes into your skin.
Yeah.
But no observe. Skin will not observe.
Yeah.
So then it turn into very stubborn and penetrate deeper into our skin
Mm-hmm.
over time. And one more thing, nowadays we don't have poor sleep. We don't have enough sleep, and we will get stress. These are also effects on skin's health.
Skin. Okay. So do you want to say that even by using these kind of products, we develop these kind of issues?
Yeah.
Yes, stress,
Pigment.
hormonal issues,
Yeah.
pigmentation.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
because we are regularly using these products on our skin and it's getting affected.
Yeah, getting effects. That's why we will
So
take
it's better to turn to organic skincare.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
it's really very important for every
And
woman.
I like to share one more thing.
Mm-hmm.
You have to take care, inner and external care. Taking care by eating healthy food.
Mm-hmm.
Taking care by using good products and quality products.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, enough sleep
Mm.
and some exercise.
Mm.
These are very important.
That's really very important.
Not only skin products, along with
Eating healthy is
eating
also
healthy
very
also
important.
very nice.
Yes,
Okay,
that's
inner care
really
and external care,
yeah.
both are
Well
important.
said, well said. Not only
Yeah.
from the outer side, from inner side
Yeah,
as
all
well.
of this essential for
Our health,
for us overall
overall
well-being.
health. Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true. So, Praveena, what's your favorite, personal favorite ingredient in skincare?
I have too many personal ingredients, but one of the ingredients, cucumber. I like cucumber.
Mm-hmm.
It is very good inner care and external care. If you have oily skin, take the one cucumber, add with tea tree oil and mix together like a paste.
Okay.
So then apply on our face, wait for until dry, then wash out. You will get
Okay.
healthy and beautiful skin.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's why you're so beautiful.
And one more
Okay.
thing, everyone is definitely we should to know about one thing. When you use anything, oil, ingredient, any product, you have to know about few things. What is that? You know, comedogenic means very thick oils. Non-comedogenic means lightweight oils.
Okay.
Okay. For example, comedogenic is like coconut oil, almond oil, these oils. Non-comedogenic oils, rose hip, argan oil, my
tree.
favorite oil, oba oil. Yeah, tea tree oil too.
Tea tree oil.
Yeah,
Yes.
too. So first check your skin tone. Which oil is better? Your skin is oily skin, or dry skin, or combination skin. Check and use
Wow.
oil. So that
So
is
you can also
important.
guide this for the people. Okay, which type of skin is yours,
Yeah,
basing on
definitely.
that.
I give healthy and beauty tips to my customers.
And you can customize products according to the skin tone of the customer.
Yeah, sure. I
Oh,
will make
wow.
it. I may
That's
make.
really great, Praveena. Without any, background study, it's on your own. You have
Yeah.
you have started
Since
your
2 years.
journey. Since 2 years,
Yeah,
you're
since
working
2 years.
hard.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really
Yeah.
great.
Yeah. But I
So-
didn't expect I started business because I made for me all products. Then
Definitely, our viewers will reach out to you, and definitely you will achieve your goal.
Yeah.
And inshallah, we wish you all the best in your future. So, Praveena, what the message you can give to our women entrepreneurs?
self motivation. Self motivation is a powerful weapon. Then everything. That is first. Second one is when you achieve success, you have to be the able to lift others.
Wow.
Never underestimate anyone after you succeed,
That's a great thing.
because they too are climbing as the same path once you did. So respect others, respect their efforts.
Yes, definitely. Endeavors, whatever you're going to do as a business entrepreneur,
Yeah, thank you.
as inventor of what? Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Why did you
yeah.
choose this name, by the way, Flamingo? Is
I
there
like-
any thing you
no,
love
no,
that? Huh.
no reason. I like flamingo. That's why
You like
I put the
flamingo, so
product
that's why.
name. Yeah, yeah. That's
So
it.
how you relate this flamingo to the skincare? Flamingo is a bird, right?
Yeah, flamingo is a bird. It's symbolic, na. It's love,
Beautiful.
right?
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
beautiful.
Yes.
So you see my logo. One flamingo is a male, one flamingo is female.
Okay.
And one more thing, why I mention male and female? My cream can be used for
Both.
male, female, and
Oh,
children.
that's the good
That's
thing.
why I mention male and female.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good story behind your flamingo. That's
Yeah,
really
flamingo.
inspiring.
Yeah.
So every woman can do like this, yeah?
Yeah.
A single thought, a small thought can change to big endeavors, yes.
Yeah.
That's really
Yeah.
great. All the best to you, Miss Praveena.
Thank
and
you so
thank you
much,
so much
dear.
for coming on our podcast and discussing
Thank
with us and inspiring our viewers. Thank you so much, viewers, for watching us. Keep watching and do watch our inspiring stories like Miss Praveena. She has taken a very good decision to become an entrepreneur from a small thought. Okay, so taking care of your skin is very important. So take care of yourself, take care from your inner and outer wellness. Thank you so much for watching SG Talks. See you in the next episode. Thank you.